सुवियात्री व्यूअर्स, तो आज हम यूनिट 6 में इंक्लूड हुआ टॉपिक विजुअल एंड नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। विजुअल एड्स आर टूल्स और मटेरियल यूज्ड टू enhance communication and understanding during presentation, speech, or educational sessions. They can be used to support and reinforce verbal messages, improve audience engagement, and convey information more effectively. Visual aids are pictures, drawing, animations, graphics, anything that detailified any information more frequently by the observation of audience. ये क्या करता है? इन्हेंस करता है, इम्प्रूव करता है हमारे कम्युनिकेशन को by showing different diagram and structures to the audience. As we know that pictures speak 1,000 word. A glance of pictures speak 1,000 of words. So they can be used to support and reinforce verbal message. Now starting with types of visual aids. Visual communication refers to the use of visual element to convey information, idea or message. जैसे मैंने पहले ही कहा था, visual elements जैसे graphics, animation, drawing, moving pictures, motion pictures we say. It involves the creation and interpretation of images, symbols, diagrams, charts, and other visual aids. Here are some common types of visual communication. First one is infographics. So what is infographics? They are visual representation of data, information, or knowledge. They often combine text, charts, graphs, icons, and illustrations to present complex information in visually appealing and easily understandable format. Infographics are visual representation of data, information, or knowledge. For example, map of body parts or systems, a star chart, weather patterns are the examples of infographics that helps the speaker as well as audience to demonstrate and understand the information regarding the body parts and its system by simply showing the graphs or diagram and explaining its circulations or process. And then after, let's move on to charts and graphs. Charts and graphs are visual representation of numerical data or relationship. They can be bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, scatters plots, and more. These visuals help to illustrate pattern, trends, comparisons, and correlations. They are very normal in educational sectors. Charts, graphs are in project sectors, as we know that we are very familiar with charts and graphs, as we have already studied in our primary level, secondary level, and also in bachelor level. Icon and symbol. Icon and symbol are simplified visual representation that represent object, concept, or action. Symbol. As we know, traffic signals had 3 colors. Among them, red indicate stop. So that is the example of symbol. Icons. Icons, just like if I point something indicating that object, it represents the icon. My index finger represent I am just pointing or judging or pointing someone. That is example of icon. They are commonly used in signs, logo, user interface. Then after user interface and wayfinding system to convey information quickly and universally. Typography. Typography refers to the art and technique of arranging types, space, and text in a visually appealing and communicative way. Effective use of font, size, color, and style can enhance reliability and convey information or message. Just like Gotham, Ballet's Curve, Pitara, Thompson's, all are the features of fonts used for the classic presentation of the words, or we say font design for professional designs or for project or presentational purpose. that makes your word or writing to look attractive. Then after it come photographs and image. One of the most common visual aids or visual tools used in this era. Photographs and images are powerful visual tools for communication. As we know that we all are involved in social media platform, all are posting their own and their own loved ones images or photos and their activities in media to communicate. They are providing information regarding themselves, regarding the world, regarding society. They can capture attention, invoke emotion and convey messages or stories, as we know already. They are widely used in advertising, journalism, social media and storytelling. Illustration and drawings. Illustration and drawings are visual representation created through drawing, printing or digital artwork. They can be realistic or styled and are often used in books, magazines, advertisements and websites to depict idea, concept or narratives. Drawing क्या होता है? Cartoon drawing, figure gestures. Illustration, to illustrate a story by using the images and to make it the clear point of that image or the story. By showing a simple static picture, one can illustrate its meaning. One can create its own stories. Motion graphics and animation. Motion graphics and animation involves the using of moving visual elements to communicate messages or stories. They combine visual text and audio to create engaging and interactive experiences. They are commonly used in video presentation, advertisement and user interface. Product demo, social media context, animated logos, explainer, video titles, etc. are the example of motion graphics and animation. Maps and diagram. Maps and diagram are visual representation of geographical or spatial information process or relationship. They provide a visual overview and help to simplify complex information. Maps. Each and every country have map. Each state have its own map. Each province have its own map, its own geographical boundaries. That is drawn. That is drawn to show the area, to measure out area, to know about its areas in visual way. A diagram.